What we're going to do here today is properly and thoroughly clean a hard drive. And I'm using a program that I came up with called .40. So let's give it a try. Well, sometimes it takes more than one. And sometimes you shoot a little bit low. Well, I think we did it there. Well, not exactly thoroughly cleaned yet. Let's give it another try. I think we may have got it that time. How about that? Pretty cool. Well, we might as well finish it off. Seem to be getting it now. Let's try it from this side. I want to get one right there. That's what I want. Interesting. It's still in there. Try it again. Oh, it's definitely getting kind of distorted. There's two in there. I'm definitely making it heavier. Well, that looks like it. I think we've thoroughly cleaned it.